The concept of a transparent mobile phone is nothing new. We've seen it in countless sci-fi movies and TV shows. However, Polytron has now created a working prototype of a transparent mobile phone. Polytron, a Taiwan-based company, has created a phone that is fully transparent and only the circuit board, memory card and camera unit is visible. It is a touchscreen phone that has a fully functional SIM tray, SD card slot, microphone and camera. However, the phone does not yet have an operating system. The technology being used in the phone is called Polyvision Privacy Glass. It allows a device to turn transparent when an electric current is passed through it. They've also used microscopic wires that have been fed directly into the glass that make it barely visible to the naked eye. Smartphones have revolutionized the way we live and work. With the help of transparent smartphones, we would be able to have a clear view of the screen without having to take off our eyeglasses. Currently, there is no such thing as a transparent smartphone, but this may soon change. If you're interested in trying out a transparent phone yourself, be sure to do your research first. The technology required for a transparent phone is still being developed, but it's likely that we'll see more and more of them in the future. So, what are you waiting for? Let's explore the potential of transparent smartphones and see where this technology will take us. As seen in this video, its wireless charging is also transparent. That is, everything from mobile to wireless charger is transparent. It looks quite special. However, the concept of a transparent smartphone must become a reality in the near future.